Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AJ Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best websites where you can exchange your paper currency into gold, silver coins and bars. For whole information, watch the video till the end, but very great for you. Grab the opportunity to subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Money Metals? As America's quickest developing vendor, Money Metals Exchange assists clients with exchanging their paper dollars for the well-being of gold and silver bullion coins and bars. If you want to visit the site, link in the description box. Are Money Metals.com genuine? AppMex review begins with a strong standing and magnificent client surveys. The site is effectively one of the most respectable on the web, and it offers a moderate determination of items that can't be found at contending sites. What is the least expensive approach to purchase gold? Gold bars are the least expensive approach to buy gold coins. They are likewise a customary speculation vehicle that is exchanged every day. Most basic is the 400 ounces COMEX bar. Who is Cash Metals Exchange? Cash Metals Exchange is the most expert, learned, fastest, and least demanding method for buying silver that I have found. The metal you purchase from Money Metals. Valuable metals. 1. Silver. Silver coins. Silver rounds. Silver bars. Silver, other items. Every silver product. 2. Gold. Gold coins. Gold rounds. Gold bars. Gold, other items. Gold other world mints. Gold-backed currency. Every gold product. 3. Platinum. Platinum coins. Platinum eagle coins. Palladium. Palladium bars. Palladium coins. 5. Rhodium. Rhodium bars. 6. Copper. Copper rounds. 7. Gift ideas for gold and silver investors. Zimbabwe dollar versus silver display. Gold Swiss Army knife. I hope you all are enjoying the video. Please research before investing and selling any things I don't recommend, I only suggest, so subscribe to this channel for more videos. Show your love by sharing the video and leave a comment. Good luck.